I got the motor off of the frame that I bought from the junkyard. Got the cutlass in the carport. I did some body work to it. Straightened up the quarter panel quite a bit. Some Bondo work. Need to get some more paint so I can finish it up, but it almost matches. Door's still bent a little bit. I bought a new fender, well, a fender from the junkyard to put on here. Got the wheel pretty straight. Had to put a control arm on it and a couple other things. I got the motor sat in here. Wiring harness is pretty much all hooked up now. Still got a few things I gotta do. O2 sensors, put the header on, starter. I gotta put the torque converter bolts in. I don't think I said anything about it last time, but I got a turbo 350 trans. Stock cutlass rear. I forget what it is. I think it's like a 7.5 inch rear. I had welded it. Got my ECU over here. I'm trying to figure out exactly where to mount this stuff. I was thinking of putting the fuse box in this general location here. And trying to get the ECU mounted up over here to where the hood will close. Maybe right there somewhere. The brake lines are kind of in the way a little bit. Got to put my radiator in. Got a trans cooler. Got to mount that up. Overall, it's coming together pretty good. I used the LSX Innovations swap mounts with the stock cutlass clamshells. This is all new to me. Trying to make something out of nothing really. I gave up on my Honda for a little bit. I figured I'd mess with this stuff. I also got another project going on at the moment. My grandfather's truck. It's a 93 OBS truck. I pulled the stock TBI motor out of it and also got a LS in it. Got it running the other day. Still got to do a few things for the trans. But this is also coming together. Like I said, this is all new to me. I'm trying to learn as I go. Thank you guys for watching. Keep you updated on how it goes. Sorry I haven't been recording as much as I should of it. I'm just trying to get it together. That way it's moving and I don't have so many projects sitting around my yard. But thank you guys. Like and subscribe, please. Have a good day.